ASST stock analysis and ASST stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. As I'm looking at asset entities, this is sitting at $7.56, and I can tell you the 5% up is nice, quite all right. Like, I can tell you one thing, that when I made that previous video, I was only really hoping to buy as long as there was some sort of a shift, and that didn't quite happen to me, and that's fine. You know, I'm not gonna sit here and just cry about it, because if you remember with asset entities, man, I began with the long side when it was like $2-3 at the time, and I'm not lying. Like, you can see here at the time it was $3. So we need to double down on that 3 weeks ago. That was freaking out of this world. It was so nice. And with that in mind, like, the long side prediction still has not died yet for me. Like, the only way that I'm looking to double down is if there is some sort of like a shift and a double break, and if that thing doesn't quite happen, then I'm not buying. Very simple. So that's ASST. It's my confirmation that I'm waiting for. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free email.